Welcome everyone, and in today's episode, we're going to learn about how to install PyCharm and Python on your Windows 10 for 2024. All right, so let's just dive straight in. All right, so the first thing that we're going to notice is right here, if we type in PyCharm, we're able to see where this is at, jetbrains.com, dive straight in. All right, the next thing, it will take you to a screen that looks exactly like this. We'll go ahead and we'll click downloads. And then you don't want this professional version because considering it's paid, you don't really need all that just yet. All right, or possibly not at all. You need PyCharm Community Edition. You're gonna click download. Even though I already have it installed, I'll go ahead and I'll run through it for you guys. And then you're going to want to go ahead and take this and then download it onto your desktop. So that way it goes ahead and you're able to see it for this entire demonstration and everything else like that instead of having to dig through files. And as you can see, it does take a little bit. But in the meantime, instead of all this just blank air, I did want to let you know that JetBrains has a lot of great features, such as like it's got like different integrations to it. It's got coding assistant, developer tools, so that would be extremely nice depending on what you're aiming for, whether it be data science or even certain like web development, things of that nature. Cross-platform IDE, so that's really nice. Python debugger, and you also can compare PyCharm editions as well. So we have some great features there. This is something that I've always used, as you can see down here, for like my data science tasks, data analytics, things of that nature, as well as a little bit of web development. So you got web development and Django development. I never messed with Django, but to each own. All right, we are almost there, and let's take it off. Oh, all right, so we're going to go ahead and click on the download exe file. From there, you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and it says, current version of PyCharm community is already installed. Do you wish to continue? I'm going to say yes. We're going to click next. You're going to go through this. You're going to click this. All right. And then you're going to click next. And considering I already have it installed, it's going to go ahead and give me all of this. Just let me know, like basically to uninstall it, so on and so forth. So just for this purposes, I'll go ahead and I'll do that for you guys. All right. So I'll go ahead and I'll just uninstall it. There you go. And this is also helpful for just in case an error occurs or something of that nature. All right, here we go. And then we're just going to click next right off the bat. We're going to click on PyCharm Community Edition for the create desktop shortcut and create associations.py. Next, just click install. Boom. And then from here, it's going to take a little bit, as you can see exactly what it's doing. And then it will run you straight through all of that information. This will take approximately, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how fast your system is. And then you'll be ready to go to start building projects. 300 years later. And also, while we're just waiting around, you could also check, just for like security purposes, if you're wondering or whatever case, download and verify the file through SHA-256 checksum. So you're able to check the digital signatures as well, make sure that they line up perfectly and that you're installing the proper version of it. But for this case, considering, we have the right link, things of that nature, we're all good to go. And once again, if you follow this tutorial, you'll be set. All right. We're just about there, extracting all the information. And then we just click Run PyCharm Community Edition. Bing. This is what it will look like. And voila. That's what we'll have before us. All right, so next we're going to click on New Projects. And then from here, we're able to get all the information. Don't worry about location or anything else like that. We are simply going to go ahead and just click Create. And also, I already have Python installed. If you don't, it will tell you the exact version that you need. And then from there, you'll be okay. And then it will just install it for you. No worries. Probably about 30 seconds. And it lets you know what's new in PyCharm, all the rest of this information. But we want to get straight to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go straight over here to File, New, and Python file. We're going to click the name. Let's just say testing number 2. And then from here, double click. And voila, we got it. Let's just go ahead and test. So print and test. Let's go ahead and let's run that bad boy. And voila, what do you know? Right here. We got it. All right, everyone. Well, that's how you go ahead and you install PyCharm as well as Python. Any questions, comments, and everything else like that, you guys know what to do. Take care.